Sorry, it was on a bit of a time crunch, so had to get that detailed, so you didn't see a whole lot. But I'm thinking I've got all the equipment out. It's a nice day. Dive into the Fiero. Let's see, what does it need? Well, there's the sole and it's drying. Here's the Fiero. What does it need? Yeah. I need to pull the seats out on this one. Ugh. Gross. Okay, so gonna move the car into the position, rip those seats out, scrub down the vinyl, dress the vinyl maybe? Not sure yet. Then vacuum and shampoo. First seat is out. Let's take a look at what is under there. Yeah. Well, I'm glad I pulled it. That is dirty. So I think what I will do, might as well pull the other seat too, right? Or do half and half. I mean, I guess you could say I've made a little bit of money and a lot of garbage. Ugh. Dude, check this out. A simple vacuum. How much nicer is that? And it still needs to be shampooed. Shh. Do you remember what that armrest looked like? It's a lot cleaner now. Same thing with this side. I think I will use a little bit of dressing. Nothing too much, just enough. But yeah, that door handle, man. All right, I'm running out of sunlight, so I only got the driver's side finished. Well, no, I still have windows. But this is what it looks like now. Tell me, does it look good to you? Yeah, it's because it's dusty and yuck. This is has been scrubbed and dressed. What do you think?